video coming up here now, guys. We just started the first day of our four-wheeling adventures here. And what do you think so far, Ryan?
This is pretty awesome. I mean, as you can see in the landscape here, we've got all the aspen trees are just turning golden color. So we come at the perfect time of year. It's just incredibly beautiful up here.
It really is. So we're going to get some action shots now of us riding. So enjoy the ride. Driver, but we still love it. We'll touch base with you in a few miles or so, let you know how things are going, but we're living the dream up here, so peace out.